Keeping your computer's operating system up to date may seem tedious and unnecessary, but failing to do so can result in serious problems. In this video, we'll outline 3 reasons why keeping your computer's OS up to date is essential to your business. Coming up next. It's very likely that your operating system is already outdated. And with the rapid development in technology, your computer can easily become outdated after only a few months. By keeping your operating system up to date, your computer can work with the latest programs and applications without glitches. Now, here are 3 reasons to keep your operating system up to date. Number 1, security. The single most important reason to keep your operating system up to date is security. Updates often include security patches, which fix bugs that could otherwise leave your system vulnerable to hackers. By keeping your OS updated, you increase your chances of being protected from security threats and keeping your data safe. Number 2, performance. Updates to an operating system generally improve performance and stability of older OS versions. A better operating system can also decrease hardware consumption and improve overall system reliability. By updating your operating system, you can get rid of those glitches that made your system slow or crash. This can help improve employee productivity and satisfaction. Number 3, support for newer applications. Now, keeping yourself up to date ensures that you're capable of using new programs and applications that are released for your OS. As technology develops and becomes more complex, older operating systems are not always capable of using new and more sophisticated programs. By updating your operating systems regularly, you can keep your computer in top condition and help prevent security risk. If your computer's performance is slowing or you're concerned about the privacy of your data, give our team a call.